What will happen if all trees are destroyed? The answer to this question is horrifying as it would lead to severe consequences for the environment, human life, and the planet as a whole. 1. Oxygen depletion. Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis, and without them, the oxygen supply in the atmosphere would decrease, making it difficult for humans and animals to breathe. 2. Increased carbon dioxide. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and help regulate the Earth's temperature. Without trees, CO levels would rise, contributing to global warming and climate change. 3. Loss of biodiversity. Forests are home to countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms. Destroying trees would lead to mass extinction of species and loss of ecosystems that support life. 4. Soil erosion and desertification. Trees prevent soil erosion by anchoring the soil with their roots. Without trees, the topsoil would erode, leading to infertile land and desertification. 5. Water cycle disruption. Trees play a key role in the water cycle by absorbing water from the ground and releasing it into the atmosphere through transpiration. Without them, rainfall patterns would be disrupted, causing droughts and floods. 6. Impact on human life. Many communities depend on forests for their livelihoods, food, medicine, and materials. The destruction of trees would severely affect these communities and disrupt the balance of life globally. 7. Climate change acceleration. The loss of trees would further accelerate climate change, leading to more extreme weather patterns, rising sea levels, and reduced capacity to absorb carbon emissions. In essence, the destruction of all trees would lead to environmental collapse, threatening all forms of life on Earth. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get the notification on my latest videos.